In this video, I'll show you how to make these eggless cupcakes with edible toppers, perfect for a football party.
Having a football party? Why not make these?
The sponge is so light, fluffy and moist, topped with some delicious buttercream icing.
These taste cracking!
You will need 1 cup or 240 ml of your favourite milk, and into this add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. It does make the milk curdle, but without the vinegar the cakes wouldn't be so lovely and fluffy and moist. Put the milk to one side and cube 115 grams or half a cup of salted butter at room temperature. Now you're going to need an electric hand mixer as well as a big bowl and a sieve. Start beating your softened butter with the hand mixer, and because it's at room temperature, this shouldn't be too difficult. Now add 100 grams or half a cup of caster sugar, a bit at a time, and all the ingredients and the measurements are in the description down below. It's important to scrape down the sides of the bowl and then add a little bit more sugar and keep creaming together until the butter and sugar are lovely and smooth without any lumps. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is my preferred choice, as vanilla essence tends to have a more artificial, processed flavour. Mix this together with your creamed butter and sugar. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to my channel and support me, and you'll be notified of my next video. Now grab your sieve and start sifting in some of the flour a bit at a time, and all the measurements and the ingredients are in the description down below. Then add some of your milk mixture that's nicely curdled now. Pour a little bit in and start mixing these all together. Again, it's important to scrape down the sides. We don't want any lumpy bits. Add a little bit more flour and then a little bit more of the milk mixture. Keep mixing this together until there's no more lumps and it's lovely and smooth. Keep repeating this process until all your flour and all your milk is used up, and make sure your electric mixer is on a low setting. Otherwise, if you mix it too fast and overwork the mixture, the sponge will be heavy and dense. I'm using these lovely silver foil eye-catching cupcake liners. This recipe makes 6 to 8 jumbo cupcakes or 12 to 14 standard size cupcakes. Ideally now you need a cupcake or a muffin tin, and line the tin with all the cupcake liners. Each liner needs about 3/4 of cake mixture. If you overfill them, they have a tendency to spill out and not be cooked in the middle. The cakes need to go into a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 15 to 18 minutes, and when they come out, pop them onto a wire rack to cool. They smell delicious. Whilst your cakes are cooling, you can make your buttercream icing, and it's really important again that the butter is cubed and at room temperature. Using your electric hand mixer, you need to start mixing the butter, and you need to do this for a good few minutes. It's really important to make the butter light and airy. Keep scraping down the sides to get rid of any lumps, and you'll notice the butter start changing colour from yellow to white. This makes a really big difference. Look at that. Now start adding your icing sugar or your powdered sugar, bit by bit incorporating it to your lovely creamy butter. And it will start to thicken. Keep scraping down the sides to avoid getting any nasty lumps, and keep mixing and adding more powdered sugar until it's all creamy and at the consistency that you like. Now add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix it all together into the delicious buttercream. It's time to have some fun piping that cream, so choose your piping tip, fill up your piping bag Squeeze the end so there's no air and start to pipe your buttercream icing all over your cakes. It doesn't have to be perfect, so have some fun with it. And I'm going to top mine off with these edible football cake toppers. I'll put details in the description down below of where you can buy them. And there you go, it's as easy as that. These vanilla cupcakes are a massive hit at parties for children and adults. They're so light and fluffy and so deliciously tasty. What do you think about the cupcakes, boys? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. And you can watch more videos of eggless recipes right here, right now.